Hello everyone. This course is on Introduction to International Trade and Foreign Exchange. Before we commence the course, let us first understand the objectives of the course, the outcome of the course, and also who will be benefited. In other words, who will be the target audience for whom this course will be beneficial. Let us first look into the objectives of the course. The course speaks about the overview of international trade and foreign exchange, the meaning of international trade, the meaning of foreign exchange, what are the various types of transactions under foreign exchange, the inward remittances and the outward remittances. The course also deals with the meaning of capital account and current account transactions. The course also helps you in understanding the various guidelines and the reporting requirements and the documentary requirements relating to inward remittances and outward remittances. The course also deals with the imports and exports, the capital account transactions like the foreign direct investments, the overseas direct investments and the external commercial borrowings. And you will be also given a glimpse of the cover operations wherein the dealing room, the dealers in the dealing room will be covering the transactions relating to foreign exchange transactions. So, this program will cover the basic concepts relating to the entire realm of international trade and foreign exchange transactions. Now, let us come to the target audience: students who are pursuing their career in international finance, corporates who are handling foreign exchange transactions and the international trade transactions, corporates who are having good volumes of businesses under foreign direct investments, overseas direct investments and ECBs, and also banks, bankers who are emphasizing and looking into enhancing their career in the area of international trade and foreign exchange. So, overall we will be having many modules covering the entire area of international trade and foreign exchange, and by the end of the course you will be benefited with understanding the basic concepts and the guidelines relating to international trade and foreign exchange.